Hope you're doing good. Micah back with another video. Back here to talk about the December Pixel feature drop for the Lord have mercy, that slipped. For the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Yes, this beautiful device is getting some new features that just dropped last night for the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. And so without further ado, before we actually get into the video, if you guys haven't already, please continue to support the channel by means of your subscription. So if you haven't subscribed yet, but you've seen some of the videos, subscribe. If you're interested in tech videos in general, subscribe, hit that like button, continue to stay engaged in the comment section as we continue to build this community. I love seeing you guys actually chat with each other and not even just with me. So I definitely appreciate the community that we're building here. And so if you guys could definitely help with that, that helps us continue to grow. Still aiming for 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2024. Anything is possible. And let's start 2025 right. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. And the first thing that the Pixel feature drop is bringing is expressive captions. So I'm gonna see if I can actually try to showcase this to you. But essentially what these captions now do is actually pop those words to provide the expression behind those captions. And so why not try with Google's own actual device app here with YouTube. It wasn't working because it was a live video. So let's try one of my videos. So let's say if I click on a video of mine, I click on this and I come down here to captions. So if I turn on auto generate, let's see if it will now see, I may not be as expressive in my videos since I'm much more informative. So we'll see if it will actually do any form of expression. It's supposed to pop certain words, especially if there's an expression behind it. And so let's see if it will do this. I'm not seeing it do it right now. It is also YouTube, so it's probably still something that's probably rolling out over the course of time. But as you see, certain words are supposed to actually start popping or like be emboldened. So that way it will show the emphasis behind that expression. And so right now it's not showing, but you get the gist of it. Expressive captions are now here with this month's Pixel feature drop. The next update and upgrade is to Gemini. And so if I press and hold to bring up Gemini, Gemini now has the ability to access Spotify to play songs and playlists. And also, you're able to now call contacts and businesses, send messages, set alarms, and then, control more devices like turning on and off the flashlight and opening the camera within your device. So let's say, turn on flashlight. See, as you guys see, it now turned it on. And then if I want to back out, and then I want to hit this, turn off flashlight. And it turns it off. So as you guys can see, that works right there. Let's say I do, let's say, call mom. Now it's going to actually try and call her or bring it up. Oh, okay. And then it calls her, right? So that's dope that you get to see that it actually will do that. And I was not expecting this for the number to pop up like that. But nonetheless, shout out to mom. And now, as you guys can see, Gemini has more access to the phone, which is something it probably should have debuted it with since it was kind of running sort of off of Google Assistant at first. I don't know why it took so long for that to come to Gemini. But Gemini now has this ability. And why not try set an alarm clock for 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. And as you see, it set it. And so if I actually want to come in here, I would like to turn that off so I don't forget. But as you see, Gemini is much more intuitive, much more assistive, and can help us with our daily activities. Gemini Live also is updated with more available languages, and it remembers interests and preferences for better responses. So that's just in general when it comes to Gemini. Gemini did get to see a nice upgrade for the Pixel series in general, including the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. A separate update for the Pixel 6 has granted another 2 years of software support, meaning that it should see software support up to 5 years now. So that's also great to see. Call screen has new suggested replies. So this come in handy for delivering when delivery people are calling you. Automatic screen calling will also show the AI conversation to you so that you can jump in when you want. And so that's kind of hard to kind of show right now because I would need a phone call to come in. But essentially, if you've ever used call screen before, it's actually pretty cool. It will actually display the call as it's screening it, letting you know what's happening. And now you see you can actually reply with better suggestions with the new improved call screen. The recorder gets clear voice mode. So let's go ahead and look up recorder. Pull that up here real quick. And what this is going to do is going to help reduce noise and distractions as recording is taking place. And so let's say, do I have to click on here and go into settings? Let's see, recorder settings. Backup is sync, dark, microphone, use Bluetooth or external mic when available. Audio channels, I prefer stereo. And then Google location settings, it can do all that. Keywords, keyword scrolling, speaker labels, recorder tips. It may be while it's recording, or I'm probably just not clicking on something properly. Let's see, always use device mic, use when available. So maybe while I'm recording, it will actually show that, but it's supposed to have a clear voice mode. And so if I hit record, let's say while it's recording, I don't see no options popping up yet. Let's see, maybe if I click the settings over here, nope. So maybe after the fact, or I can even check the transcript while I'm recording, which is pretty cool. So, and it's not necessarily too slow, so I like that. If we go back to audio, let's say we want to stop it. And then add location, why not add location? And then make sure it doesn't, all right. So I think I'm good there. If I want to save it, maybe if I want to save it, and then maybe if I press and hold on it, you can also find your recordings at recorder.google.com, which is cool. Okay, so I can add the favorites, I can deselect it, I can delete it. So I guess maybe I have to update the app because right now I'm not seeing recorder show me the actual ability to do clear voice mode, unless I just overlooked a setting. And it doesn't look like I did. So this ability is here as well. It's just where. Maybe it's automatic. Maybe that's what it is. All right, so we're going to try this again with the recorder feature. And we're going to see if we do it. You're actually supposed to have it on mono. And the ability to enable clear voice is supposed to pop up. So I think it's supposed to be post. But let's say I click on this now. And then I look around to see if I can find it. I don't see it readily available. I saw it up here as an option, but I don't see it right now. So let's see, create video clip, transcribe. So I don't see it here as of right now. I see the ability to trim it and all that. Now let's see if we go ahead and open it. See, I see summarize, but I don't see the clear call feature yet. And so if I actually go ahead and back out, and if I do that, press and hold, will it come up? So I still don't see it there yet. So I think we're just very early in the process because I think clear voice is also supposed to be able to pop up before you start the recording, and you're able to listen playback wise with clear voice enabled as well. But nonetheless, clear voice mode is here now for the recorder app, or at least will be here soon with our Google Pixel devices. Now, Pixel screenshots will now save circle to search moments. This can be done when using circle to search by hitting the new save button. So let's say, I press and hold, and then it's gonna, holding the button now lets you search. Yep. See, I have not even tried to do this on the phone yet. So let's say, boom. Let's say I want to do this. It should be up here at the top. Delete last 15 minutes, search history up at the top, select text, share. Maybe if I hit share, will it allow me to save it? Or will it share to the, let's see here, will it save to my actual screenshots? I don't see it. I can upload the photos, which is nice, Pixel Studio. So as you guys can see, I'm learning this kind of stuff in real time to see if it will actually let me do any of this. And so far it's not allowing me to. But nonetheless, so it's not, maybe some of these features just aren't completely rolled out yet. The update just makes it available, so when they activate it server side, they will now be available. But I'm not finding the circle to search ability to save within the screenshots. So interesting. Now, how about we go to screenshots in general and look up another feature as soon as I find it here, because I think I passed it. We're on screenshots. Now, it's possible it could have auto-saved, because Pixel screenshots ain't doing nothing right now. Camera, gallery. Okay, there we go. Now, features of Google, da-da-da-da-da. Create your first collection to organize your screenshots. Let's see, that's one of the things I had in here before. Now, well, what screenshots is also able to do, the app, it allows for categories to automatically be formed. So this will help you organize your screenshots a lot better and provide filters to navigate further. And so, you can, of course, navigate this way by how they are formed or how the list looks in here. You can search your screenshots down at the bottom. You can also hit the settings button up here, and they give you nothing else in here. So it's very interesting that this Pixel feature drop is still slow to kind of roll out these features. Create your first collection to organize your screenshots if you want to do it yourself. So there's a lot going on here. If I click the collections, welcome to collections, group screenshots into da-da-da. So it just explains it what it is. But nonetheless, this is another feature that's supposed to have came to our Pixel devices, which is the ability to save your circle to search moments and automatic categories. Gboard will also now show text suggestions from your screenshots in relevant apps. So you can toggle this on in the screenshots app. Again, as you saw, I didn't notice it in here yet. Maybe the apps need to be updated. I have not tried to do that yet. And then Pixel Studio will keep stickers saved in the Gboard to share with others. So far, just a Pixel 9 Plus feature. So if we actually jump into Pixel Studio, if I get it to come up here, Pixel Studio, if I create a sticker within this app, it will keep the sticker saved in the Gboard to share with others. So, okay, I don't know why Christmas stuff is popping up here. I think it's because it's the month of, ooh, okay, hey, shout out to Floss. Let's say if I say got it, let's say I wanted to, no. This is what happens when you don't really use a lot of this stuff. So, okay, stickers. What does that say? Stickers and tools. So, let's say I wanted to add sticker. And I just wanted to add this over here like that. And I hit that. Now it's saved, I think. And then now I can copy it, I can share it, I can download it, and I can delete it, right? So if I save it, it should pop up in the Gboard. And so now if I go on over to messages and let's just say let's say I send me something, and then let's see if it will pop up. So we got these stickers. Let's hit the time button. We got that one. If I scroll down here towards the end, I'm not seeing none of the stickers pop up right now. So yet again, that's another feature that maybe the apps actually need to be properly updated by Google in order for these features to actually pop up. Still waiting on that, of course, to see there as well. And let's go on to another feature, which is Ultra HDR photos can be now shared in Instagram, and Snapchat now has a photo picker. Now, I don't have Snapchat downloaded on my phone, but essentially if we go on over to Instagram, Instagram now allows for you to do and or take Ultra HDR photos to then post on Instagram. And we know, if you guys haven't noticed in your feed, some images start to actually flare higher brightness and exposure and clarity and all that fun jazz. And that's the HDR effect that Instagram has now enabled in the app. And so now you're able to do that natively within Instagram for your Pixel device. So I like the fact that they've added that here to the Pixel series. Simple View is a new way to navigate our smartphones, and this can affect font size, touch sensitivity, affecting controls, apps, and widgets, making them easier to use. And so I would imagine if we come into settings and we come in here to see, even say check out the new features, and nothing's working right now. So maybe if I click on that, that might actually help as well. I would think this Simple View would be in display. Now I use simple characters, But simple view is supposed to be here as well for our Google Pixel devices. So hopefully that's something that we will see here soon. And quick share will ease the process of sharing photos and videos with a QR code that others can send to receive, and they don't have to be a contact. So that's also nice. So if you want to bring up your quick share, let's just say, let's do this again, bring this up, I click, and then I want to hit share, and I actually want to share this. If I want to share it via quick share, I can share it to myself, my Z Fold 6, because that's nearby, of course, but now I can pop up a QR code. Try these, my phone popped up again. Try these steps on the other device. I don't see the QR code yet, but it should be here. So I don't know what's going on with all of these updates that's supposed to be here, but I guess we're just really fast. Google wasn't even ready to properly make these available yet, but you're supposed to be able to now get a QR code with quick share. Now playing will also now show album art for each song it discovers and adds to your now playing history. So if I come in here to now playing, so I'm just going to type it in here at the top. If I come in here now playing history, these icons will now be replaced with the album art of the song. And so that's going to be something fun to see there. Would you like to add a shortcut to your home screen, which you can do for your now playing history as well? I like that icon, but now we're going to have album art available within our now playing. And let me know if that's a feature you guys like. I love the now playing feature because when you're in the mall, when you're in a store, you're just out and about, maybe catching some music. I love the fact that our phone has the ability to just listen in like a fly on the wall and let you know what that song is right there on the spot. And if you're unsure, you can always go to your history and check out the songs just in case, you may have missed it in a moment, and see the songs that you missed that you may want to add to your playlist. I like now playing a lot. Now, let's go in here to theft protection. This is a feature that was added with Android 15. So as I said, it's in security and privacy. Then you're going to click on, I just saw it, device unlock. Then you're going to come here to theft protection. Theft protection is something that was added with Android 15 that allows you to now lock your device when it may have appeared or detects that someone may have taken the phone out of your hands and started to run away. And then of course what this is able to further do with theft protection is add identity check. An identity check is a part of this system which will ask for your Face ID or face unlock or fingerprint sensor for authentication before changing any secure information or settings in a new location. So let's say if it thinks that someone took your phone and ran off, and then let's say you was at Starbucks and now they're at Target in a different location. If they try to come into your phone and try to change certain aspects of information that you have going on, it's going to ask for those biometric security credentials before it will allow that individual to check your device. And it may even be you as well before it allows you to do that. That's the extra layer of security that Google has added to Android, specifically with the Pixel devices, to further enhance security of your private information. So I actually like that a lot. And then Emoji Kitchen eases the navigation process to find your stickers. It's in here for you guys, available to use, and it's supposed to ease the navigation process. So what I can do is kind of apologize because I kind of probably jumped the gun trying to talk about all these features. These features will be available at some point, and it might just take a simple update. Let's check our Pixel. Let's check the Galaxy. Oh my goodness, the Play Store. There are 9 updates, so let's just update all anyway. Chrome, Drive, Wallet. That's about it. And the last feature I actually want to talk about is in regards to Google Wallet. And if you take any screenshots of like your credit cards or your debit cards or gift cards, screenshots is supposed to allow those screenshots to be saved as actual cards within the Google Wallet. So that's also another feature that was added with this Pixel drop for December. But again, we might just be so early that Google has not officially pushed these out yet. That being said, let's click on this with the Pixel tips because it should actually let us know. Here we go. Save Pixel Studio stickers to Gboard, and this will walk you through. So open Pixel Studio app, create an image, create a sticker from the image, open Gboard, tap stickers, tap Pixel Studio tab, which I don't remember seeing in the stickers, and select the sticker to send. So let's actually go to the Gboard. So yes, as we come in here to the stickers tab, we do not see the Pixel tab in here, the Pixel Studio tab in here yet. So yes, we are very early with these features that are supposed to be available. They're just not 100% available yet, but they will be probably by the end of the week, within the next couple of weeks. You know, Google can be slow despite announcing the features that's supposed to be available. So that is giving me reassurance that these features are technically supposed to be here right now. They just are not. Okay, so let's try one more. And just to let you guys know, if we check those features out, this is what I'm talking about right here. Take a screenshot to save cards to your wallet, call phone numbers, open addresses, and more from your screenshots. So Pixel Screenshots is having a lot of power kind of injected into it. So this is an app to stay on the lookout for if you own a Pixel device. So these are all the features that are available for the Pixel series, or that will be available very soon. Just stay tuned. They will come sooner or later. I just did want to show you guys how you can access them for the most part, how you're supposed to be able to access them. So that way, when they're available on your device, have at it, have fun with it. So let me know down in the comment section below, have you gotten your Pixel December feature drop update yet? And what features are you looking forward to on your Pixel device? The comment section is open for discussion. But again, as always, if you guys haven't already, make sure to ignite the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, it's all free. That way, some videos, so you and I can sit back, check, see what's cracking. And don't forget to hit that super things button down there by the like and dislike button, Cash App and PayPal, and check the channel out for all the videos available to you. That's way to keep tech fresh and alive on this channel. Micah signing out. Until the next video, wait for it.